My name is Ranganath. I am from Bengaluru. I am a BE student in the ECE stream. I joined QSpiders in the month of April 2023. Here I learned software testing concepts like manual testing, SQL, Java and Selenium. SQL was taught by Uma Shankar sir, and core Java was taught by Chidambaram sir, and Selenium was taught by Mustaqim sir. And today I got placed in a company called Sun Technologies Private Limited as a automation test engineer. So I would like to thank all my faculties for teaching me the concepts very well, and also I would like to thank my HRs for believing in me and adding requirements as many as possible. So I would recommend you all to join QSpiders for the job opportunities.